Hi, it's me, Chris Pilsen, and I've got a new idea for you guys. If you ever would have an old washing machine, you would take it apart for the parts and you have these steel drums. They are very valuable for all kinds of applications, but in my case I decided I'm going to do the following thing. I'm going to use the endo grinder to cut out these kinds of segments out of it, because I've gotten lots of I'm working on a wooden structure and I don't want all metal parts to rust away, so I'm going to use the stainless steel perforated sheet metal to actually well, you see over here that these two beams are connected by a piece of metal, but as you can imagine, this stuff will do far better, and it already has the holes inside of it when you are going to connect it onto the beams. So I'm going to use the angle grinder, cut all kinds of segments out, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and that 1, 2, 3 times. And then you can, that's just one more way to highly effectively use materials. Must be careful because these edges are very sharp. Well, at the end, it only costed me one wall cutting disc. You should know that stainless steel erodes them faster away than normal steel. And the amount of parts contained is an amount of 12 of these pieces of steel. Well, the thing you must do, first bend it a little bit straight. Take a little pin like so. Then you already got it. The next phase is to put it on the corner and just pressure it. It doesn't take a lot of force, you can do it with hand, until you've got this end result. And then we have here, we have the end result. So it takes one cutting disc and about 1.5 hour of work to transform your stainless steel washing drum into very high value beam edge mounting clips of stainless steel. Now, this is a little bit too long, but as you can see, it will do just fine. Well, thank you.